Hey homegirls and homeboys, this is Tammy, her home is, and I'm back with another video. Now as you can tell, we are styling the bathroom. This is the current look, but you guys, I am going to tweak the space a little bit more. So if you want to see how we're going to tweak it, I will be changing out the curtains. I will be leaving this blue trash can, which is a DIY. I will include that link in the description box. Catch all of my DIYs on that DIY channel. The pictures here are DIY as well, but this is what we're adding in the space. So we're going to do a little bit of light cleaning and a makeover here in the space. Make sure you stay tuned if you want to see how we do this full revamp of this bathroom using my color blue for the spring. And if you do follow the channel, you do know I always start every space with the curtains or the eyes to the space. Now you guys, I actually use actual curtains instead of shower curtains in my bathroom because this is one of my tips. I like to hang everything as close to the ceiling as possible to give the space a more grander feel. Now you guys, this is a super tiny bathroom, but with the illusion I make it appear bigger than it actually is, and this is one of my tips to use to create that look. And the curtains are from Amazon. I will put that link in the description. And we do have a lot of new members here on the channel, so I want to thank you guys for coming aboard and following my home decor journey with me. And also I want to thank you guys that have been hanging out with your girl for a while. Thank you guys so much. You have been showing the channel so much love, and for that I say thank you. And make sure, if you have not saw that bedroom makeover, make sure you pause this video, hop skippity bop on over there and check out that video as well. Also check out that what's going on with these prices video, you guys. And I did do that video as an impromptu to just bring awareness to these high food prices. Now you guys, let's continue to style this bath. And this greenery actually came from Walmart, you guys. I have had it in my stockpile for a while, so we're just adding it in. And I will tell you, we will be adding greenery throughout the home. And two homegirls, I have already cleaned the toilet and everything, but if you follow me, you do know that once I clean and wipe everything, once I clean, that is, you guys, I'll come back and wipe everything back down with my Clorox or either my Lysol wipes. What is your cleaning item of choice? I do love my Lysol. I love that lemony smell. I am a stickler, you guys, for a lemon smell. So let's recap. This is what my bathroom was looking like before this minor clean and makeover and revamp. Here are my items. Now you guys, make sure you still watch to the end. Talk to me in the comments. I love talking to you down there. Now let's get ready for the reveal. Now you guys, this is that look. I love, and I mean I love the look of the blue. Make sure you stay tuned because we're going to bring you another surprise, guys. So with that being said, I'm going to quit talking and just let you enjoy the space. I do get asked quite often, where do I get the tie backs? You guys, the tie backs on these curtains actually came from City Trends. You can get them from Amazon as well. But if you would like, let me know and I will drop the link in that description. And don't forget, I will include the links for the DIYs in that description, because these pictures here are actual DIYs that I did create, and also this accent wall as well. All DIYs are in the description along with this vase. It's about 6 DIYs already included in this video, so check the description, and it will always be listed DIYs in this video. And thank you guys for tuning in to another video here on Her Home Ends. Once again, I'm Tammy, the host, and I want to welcome all of you newcomers. But you guys, make sure you are checking out all of our branded channels. That is Glam Queen DIY, home of all DIYs. Her Home Is, which is this channel here, home of all things home decor. And also her tablescapes, that is our tablescape channel. And you guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you come back and catch us for another video. You guys have a wonderful day.